Random facts about crushes. The last one will shock you. It's really hard to look directly into your crush's eyes. TikTok knows who has a crush on you secretly. It's the second person that appears when you click on share, then more. Research suggests that having a crush can trigger the same brain activity as being addicted to drugs. Girls can't resist a boy who is good at texting. So download Plug AI and send him a screenshot when you're stuck. It will make her fold. If you've liked your crush for 4 months or longer, then it's love. Trying to distract yourself from your crush has an 80% chance of just making you think about them more. Comment "I enjoy too" and let your keyboard finish the sentence. Having a conversation with your crush can improve your mental health. If you get butterflies every time you see your crush, it means they're the one. When girls can't sleep, they think about nasty things with their crushes.